Yes, we're finally at 2 years in the business, and we're doing well. We're growing. We're making leaps and bounds. And I just wanted to kind of share the journey that we have achieved at this point. Haven't done a video. A few months back, we were doing videos on the disinfection processes that we were doing and just documenting the journey that I've been going through with this business. And I just wanted to kind of get on here and share some of the stuff that we've done up until this point and just kind of get back into documenting the journey. Because like I said in some of my previous videos is that earlier on, and that's before I got into this group called CBN, I didn't really have a whole lot of people that I could kind of bounce ideas off of, ask questions, and kind of feel out some of the things that we were experiencing and trying to figure out how to kind of maneuver through those things. So we decided to just start documenting it, because you never know, there may be somebody out there that's out there trying to do the same thing. They're starting from the beginning. They have nobody kind of helping them out, nobody to kind of bounce ideas off of, to kind of catapult them past some of the trials and the tribulations and some of the pitfalls that's going to happen in this journey. And not that a pitfall is going to be necessarily a bad thing, because you learn from your failures and you also learn from your successes, hopefully.